Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Welcome back to Cashwise Owl, your go-to destination for mastering personal finance. Today, we're diving deep into budgeting, the cornerstone of financial success. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refine your budgeting skills, these 10 essential tips and strategies will set you on the path to financial freedom. Let's get started. Number 1. Track your expenses. The first step to effective budgeting is understanding where your money is going. Take the time to track your expenses for at least a month. Use apps or spreadsheets to categorize your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. By tracking your expenses, you'll gain insight into your spending habits and uncover opportunities to save money. Number 2. Create a budget. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, it's time to create a budget. Allocate your income to different categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Be realistic and flexible, and don't forget to leave room for savings and unexpected expenses. With a budget in place, you'll have a roadmap for your finances and greater control over your money. Number 3. Set specific goals. Setting specific financial goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your budgeting journey. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear objectives will keep you on track. Visualize your goals and remind yourself of the benefits of achieving them. With clear goals in mind, you'll be more determined to stick to your budget and make smart financial decisions. Number 4. Prioritize savings. Pay yourself first by prioritizing savings. Aim to save at least 10 to 20% of your income each month. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make saving effortless and non-negotiable. By prioritizing savings, you'll build a financial safety net and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Number 5. Use cash envelope system. Consider using the cash envelope system for discretionary spending categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Allocate a set amount of cash to each envelope at the beginning of the month and only spend what's inside. This method helps you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. By using cash envelopes, you'll become more mindful of your spending habits and make better purchasing decisions. Number 6. Review and adjust regularly. Budgeting is not a one-time task. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget. Be flexible and adapt your budget to accommodate new priorities or changes in income. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, you'll ensure that it remains relevant and effective in helping you achieve your financial goals. Number 7. Plan for seasonal expenses. Don't forget to plan for seasonal expenses like holidays, birthdays, and vacations. Set aside money each month in a separate savings account specifically for these occasions. This way, you won't be caught off guard when these expenses arise. By planning ahead for seasonal expenses, you'll avoid financial stress and enjoy special occasions without breaking the bank. Number 8. Utilize technology. Take advantage of budgeting apps and tools to streamline your budgeting process. Apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard can help you track expenses, set goals, and stay accountable. By using technology to manage your budget, you'll save time and effort while gaining valuable insights into your financial habits. Number 9. Avoid impulse purchases. Resist the temptation of impulse purchases by implementing a 24-hour rule. If you're considering a non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours before making the decision. This gives you time to evaluate whether the purchase aligns with your budget and financial goals. By avoiding impulse purchases, you'll save money and make more intentional spending choices. Number 10. Celebrate your progress. Finally, celebrate your progress along the way. Budgeting can be challenging, but every small win deserves recognition. Treat yourself to a small reward when you reach a savings milestone or stick to your budget for a month. By celebrating your progress, you'll stay motivated and inspired to continue making smart financial decisions. There you have it, 10 budgeting tips and strategies to help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed, stay disciplined, and watch your financial future flourish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cashwise Owl for more financial tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which budgeting tip resonated with you the most, and feel free to share your own budgeting strategies. Together, we can achieve financial success.